lighting's terrible, but the drinks are great. That's not a straw.
The Long Bar in Raffles Hotel is where the Singapore Sling was invented. So
Birthplace of the Singapore Sling.
Gonna go get our first Singapore Sling.
So there's a line to get into Long Bar, but they have free lunch, so that's cool.
First Singapore Sling, the original. Sweet, it's alcoholic, it's pretty good.
We're enjoying a Singapore Sling.
And a 1915 Singapore Sling.
Yeah, we're at Long Bar, which is in the Raffles Hotel. It's like the original place for it. We read about the origin of the drinks, actually really interesting. 1915, 1920s, like women weren't really supposed to drink.
No, you were not allowed to drink alcohol. It's against the law for women to have alcohol.
So this bartender here is super clever. He's like, okay, I'll make a drink that looks like juice. Ladies can get wasted.
And it smells like juice.
Tastes like juice, looks like juice. Oh, there's booze in it.
A lot of booze in it.
It's actually pretty alcoholic. If you're all about that feminism, get up on this Singapore Sling, because this is like a suffragette sling over here for like ladies to get wasted if they wanted to as well. And I just think that that's actually really cool.